Welcome to AI CS Mentorium. In this video, you'll be learning basics of data handling in Python. Data handling in Python refers to the process of storing, organizing, accessing, manipulating, and processing data. Python provides several built-in data types and operators that make data handling simple and efficient. Let us first see the concept of variables. What is a variable? A variable is a named memory location used to store data. In Python, a variable is created automatically when a value is assigned to it. Unlike any other programming language where you have to declare it first like integer or as a string or as a floating point variable, here what we have to do is we have to simply give the variable name and assign the statement, it gets created. Now there are certain rules that you need to follow while naming variables in Python. First, variable in Python can have characters from the character set, that is uppercase A to Z, or smaller case A to Z, or numbers from 0 to 9, and the only allowed special symbol is underscore. Other than this, you cannot use any other. Second point, first character of a variable should be an alphabet, that is uppercase A to Z or a lowercase a to z. A variable name cannot begin with a number. Let us demonstrate this with some example over here. Say for example, I am writing uh, a variable by name age is equal to 10. So it has got accepted. But what if suppose I give in starting a number 9 age is equal to 10? It gives me an invalid syntax. In other terms, a number cannot be used as a first character in a variable name. And even if I use ag8 space of space person is equal to 10, it does not accept it. Why? Because I have given a special symbol, or I can say the spaces between the words. The only allowed special symbol is underscore. Let us see the third point. Underscore is allowed as a first character of the variable name. Say for example, I give underscore age is equal to 10. It accepts it. Variable name should be short and meaningful. As such, there is no fixed length for giving the variable name. You can even give age of a person is equal to 10. It is allowed. However, if you give a sentence like long variable name, then it becomes a cumbersome for a person to use again and again in a program if it has to be used as such a long name. Okay. So it should be short and meaningful like age. That is more than enough to describe that it represents the age of a person. Variable names are case sensitive. Python programming language as such is a case sensitive. Uppercase, smaller case, age, and uppercase age, they are not the same. Name age is not defined. So as you can see, I have defined over here age and I've given the value 10. So it has represented this 10 over here. However, if I use the uppercase age, then it gives me an error by saying that age is not defined. Now let us see, variable name cannot be a Python keyword. What are the Python keywords? Few Python keywords are and it is used as a logical operator, as it creates an alias name. Assert, it is used for debugging. Async, it is defined as an asynchronous function. Await, it waits for and get a result from an awaitable. Break, it is used to break and come out of loop. The keyword case is used for patterns in match statement. Class, it is used to define a class. Continue is used to continue to the next iteration or a loop. Def, it is used to define a function. Del is used to delete an object. Elif, it is used in conditional statements, something similar to that of else if in C, C++ and Java programming languages. Here in Python we use elif instead of else if. Else, It is used in conditional statement, that is the else part gets executed when all the previous conditions are false. Except it is used in exception handling. False. False, it is used as a boolean value when the condition is not true. Finally, the keyword finally is used with exception. The block of code gets executed even when exception is there or not. For, the keyword for is used to create a for loop in iterative statements. From is used to import specific part from class library or module. That is when you import any some particular part from a given library, we use the term or the keyword from. Now these keywords are the reserved words which have got specified meaning and usage in the Python programming language. So it cannot be used as a variable name. The next one is global. It is used to declare a global variable. If is used to make a conditional statement. Import is used to import a class library or module. In is used as a membership operator to check whether the element is present in the list or the tuple or in the string or not. Is, it is used to test if two variables are equal, whether they are equal, is equal or is not equal. Lambda, it is used to create an anonymous function. Match keyword is used to start a match statement to compare a value against cases. None, it represents the null value, that is absence of value. When the value is not available or not present, we use none. Non-local, it is used to declare a non-local variable. Not is used as a logical operator, it is used as a negation. Or is used as a logical operator for two or more conditions. So either of the conditions should match for the statement to be true. Pass, it represents a null statement which does nothing. Raise, it is used to raise an exception in exception handling. Return is used to exit a function and return a value. True, it is again a boolean value, something opposite to that of false. It is usually used to represent conditions when met. Earlier we had seen false. False, it is a statement results into false when the condition is not met, whereas the statement results into true when the condition is met. Try, it is used to make a try except statement in exception handling. While keyword, it is used to create a while loop. With is used to make exception handling simple. And ill, it is used to return a list of values from a generator. Now this was all about variables and some keywords and the rules to follow while naming a variable. If you have liked this particular video, then you are kindly requested to subscribe, like or share with your friends. Thank you.